Fujifilm Instax Square SQ6, an instant film camera for creating perfect print memories. Fuji's instant camera brand, Instax, is extremely popular with lovers of lo-fi, instant photography. The Instax Square SQ6 is the first analog Instax-branded camera to use its larger Instax Square film. Until now, you'd only have found the film in Instax printers and digital cameras, such as the SP3 or the SQ10, or in lomography cameras. With its choice of 3 smart colors, which give it a more premium look than the more childlike members of the Instax family, the SQ6 is here to broaden the range's appeal to more fashion-conscious snappers and selfie fans. With simplicity in mind, the SQ6 offers a fixed lens, just a few shooting modes, and not a whole lot else. It retails for a reasonable £125, while 10 packs of film can be picked up for about £9 each. Instax has really gone to town with the square idea for the SQ6. The overall shape is a sort of rounded-off square design. While not exactly pocket-friendly, the SQ6 will fit fairly neatly into a small bag. The camera needs to be reasonably large to accommodate the film pack, but manages to be smaller than its nearest rival, the Fujifilm Instax Square. Speaking of film, using Instax really is as simple as it's possible to get. Pop open the back of the camera and line up the square film cartridge using the yellow markings on both the film and the camera body. Shut the film door and you're pretty much ready to go. There isn't a huge array of shooting modes available here, everything is designed to just shoot and go. By default you're shooting in fully automatic, but flip to the rear of the camera and you can choose between selfie, macro, those two are essentially the same mode, in fact, and landscape modes, double exposure, and the option to make your shots either lighter or darker. You'll also get options to switch on a self-timer or turn off the flash, it's on by default, and you'll want to leave it that way unless you're shooting in super bright sunshine. The shutter release button is on the front of the camera, and actually works most ergonomically when you're pointing the SQ6 at your own face to take a selfie. Speaking of which, there's a small mirror on the lens itself to help you line up your fitsog appropriately. A tiny viewfinder will help you the rest of the time. But it's basically just a hole in the camera, without any optics, so use it with caution. You'll learn with repeated use what you can generally expect to capture in a frame.